It's not bad.
Hey girlies, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be attempting the clean girl, the soft girl, the it girl, whatever kind of girl makeup look. So first I'm going in with my Pond's facial moisturizer and I'm using that to moisturize the skin. Then I went in with a face oil. I went in with a face oil, and on top of that I went in with the Milani Prime Shield Primer. Why did the face oil do? I saw this on TikTok and I'm like, there's no way you can put oil underneath a foundation, but girl, look at this. I'm using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 360. But look how the something go on smooth with a fluffy brush. I was shocked. I'm like, wow, this real? It just looks so smooth, youthful, like, girl, like, I was surprised because I'm saying there is no way the foundation is going to come apart and whatever, but like, I was wrong. It looked flawless. It looked good. Like, comment down below. It looked good. But now what I'm basically doing, I'm just using the fluffy brush, the powder brush rather, to blend that all over the skin to kind of give it like a more seamless kind of vibe. So now I'm going in with the Black Radiance concealer palette and I'm going to take the darker shade and use that and bronze up my face. I was going really soft on the bronzer because as I said, we're doing soft girl, clean girl, whatever kind of makeup look today. Why I wanted to let the concealer sit a bit because as I said, I put down the oil, so I just wanted the concealer to sit a bit so I could get off a more full coverage kind of look, of a more like flawless finish. But while I was blending out the concealer though, I noticed on the side of my nose it was kind of coming apart and I'm like, like, you for real? I'm not about to take off my entire foundation, but I ended up blending out the concealer and it looks smoothest. Yeah, smoothest. It looked flawless. It looked really nice. Like, let's be for real, it looked good. So now I'm going in with a cream blush and I'm going to blend that right on the top of my cheekbone, because I want that little, Barbie look. But there I went in with the Benai banana powder, I believe, the loose one, because as I said, I put the oil underneath, so I wanted to make sure the makeup was set. Even though the pressed powder did the job just fine, I just wanted to use a loose powder to make sure. So that's what I did there, and I'm using a small fluffy brush because I just wanted a flawless finish because that's the look we're going for. Okay, and I did get the flawless finish. Like, look at that skin. Then I went in with the LA Girl, I know it's a LA Girl pressed powder, I don't remember the actual name, and I'm using that to set the entirety of the face. Yeah, because anywhere you put down a liquid product, you have to set it. There's no going around it. You have to set it with powder. Come on. After I finish setting the entire face, I'm going in with the Black Radiance contour palette and I'm using, that's in the dark to deep one by the way, and I'm using the middle shade and I'm just adding back my bronzer there. So after I added my blush, I'll tell you guys in the next video. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I did, just watch. But I'll tell you guys, I'll further break it down in the next video. But look at the skin, like that look photo shoot. Don't cap, you look good. But look guys, girl was clearly feeling herself, like come on, like but it look good, like trust me. I know my quality isn't all that, but it looks really like 1,000% better in person. Like it's a whole photo shooting and like girl a posing and go on in a, but sure, it was a beautiful finish, I ain't gonna lie. Now onto the hair. Now what I wanted to do in regards with my hair, I wanted to do a curly bang. You know what I mean? A curly bang with a ketchup run at the back, you know. But midway in this video, my curling iron stopped working. The curling iron stopped working and the flat iron stopped working. And right there, it was freshly blow dried hair. So you know your hair just blow dried, kind of puffy. But girl, I was like, my almost stopped the video and say, you know what, I'm not even gonna bother continue this. And I was like, you know what, sure, we'll just do it. I don't think I've ever done my hair on camera. Like put emphasis on the done and put it in a coat. Like yeah. But that's basically what we're doing there. And I'm actually looking in the camera like really. But I did eventually get up and catch up my hair and I was like, you know what, I just go do some finesse the front because I'm having a slight break, not slight, I'm having a lot of breakage in the front. I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna just finish it. But I have a lot of hair. I don't think you guys have ever noticed, but I have a lot of hair.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well you feel like, you feel like, you feel like, you feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes.
But guys, you see what I'm saying? I have a lot of breakage in the front. Like I honestly feel like I want to do another big chop, but I'm just going to wait still. But this is the hairstyle I came up with because I was like, I'm just going to continue the video. But I believe I use the Absolute, I believe it's Absolute Clear Lip Gloss. And yeah, that's the finished look. If you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because like why not? Look at the skin, oh my god. But bye guys.